Today's bot is not based on any dangerous strategy such as martingale, grid, or any lot multiplication or any type of recovery system. And this bot made 170% growth. All details are in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to Trading Board Lab, and I'm your host Abdul. In this video, I'm going to show you the result and reports of in-depth optimization and backtesting of the scalping machine. This board is available on MQ5 Marketplace free of cost. Here you can see, and the link is in the description. When I see its description, here you can see the developer clearly mentioned few things that it is based on Bollinger Band, Bulls Power, Momentum, and MACD. Symbol is recommended gold on 1 minute time frame, and here no dangerous strategies with fixed stop loss and fixed take profit, and this is very good thing. That's why I decided to do backtest and in-depth optimization of this board. When I see its reviews, there are multiple people, and here this person says it used this board for 24 hours and 2 losses 1 profit and do not recommend using the I think so this person is not a professional trader or not a professional algo trader, and the recommended lot size is 0.01 for 1,000 euros on $1,000 account. But I decided to do its in-depth optimization with the deposit of just $200, and we will see how much it performed in the last 3 years. To see the in-depth optimization results, let's move to my screen, and here is my MetaTrader 5 strategy tester, and in the optimization results, here you can see all these results are very good because the recovery factor is very high, much more than 2, which is our minimum criteria to select the best input setting. I will choose this set file, this report as the best because here the recovery factor is 10. This means the profit is 10 times higher than its drawdown, and the drawdown is only 8.31%, and again my deposit is only $200, and here you can see these are in cent. And here an important thing, you can see the leverage is very high, 1 by 2,000, and D Prime broker is offering me this kind of high leverage with a lot of other features. If you join the D Prime broker with my link, you will get all these set files and all these reports free of cost. Okay, and you can download all these reports and set files from my website www.tradingboardlab.com. Here if I show you how you can download, simply open a new tab and write. The website is open. Here you can see the logo Trading Board Lab, and you can learn multiple things from here, but right now I will simply move to the robot store, and here is a search option where you can write the name of the board. Once you search a robot, for example, here you can see the results and reports for the Dark Venus EA. Everything is free for the VIP membership holder, no limits on monthly downloads. If you have not joined, you can simply go to the registration page, and here we have two options, the VIP membership free and the VIP membership paid. In the free section, how you can join, you simply need to open an account with our recommended broker and deposit $200 in a cent or maybe STP or any account type, and then come back here and give us your email, the same email you used for registering with the Do Prime broker, and the client ID if you know. If you not know, it's okay, the name and your amount to be deposited, and then you will submit for verification. After submitting your information, it may take 1 to 3 business days for verification process, and once your information verified, you will receive an email. On the same mail you provide here, you will receive an email from our official email, admin@tradingboardlab.com, where you will find your login credentials, and after that you simply need to go here on the login page, and here you will write your email or username or anything and your password, and then simply log in. Once you logged in, you will be a VIP membership holder, and after that you will be able to download any report and any set file here. Let's suppose here the Dark Venus EA is from MQL5 Marketplace. It is for free, and when you click on the download expert tab, it will open a new tab, and here is the link of MQL. So you no need to go to the MQL5 and search for the report. So simply you can click and go to the report, and once you download the report, you can simply download the best input set file from here by clicking on the download button after joining the VIP membership. And also here you can see the live results of the Dark Venus EA on my account. When you click on it, and you will see the in-depth analysis here, and now you can check all these these details here, how the performance is going on, how the graph is going on, which is very important from here. Now everything is 100% transparent. Let's come back to the topic. You can see the history quality is 100%. The initial deposit is $200, which are 20,000 cents, but I will talk it in dollars. So by depositing $200, I made $339. And yes, it is very good growth, because when we are using multiple pairs on the same account, this means we are earning a lot every month. The drawdown is only here $31, while it opened total number of trades 385, with the profit trades are 65%. Profit trades with the risk to reward ratio is 1. The same TP, the same SL. Okay, so that's why this EA is highly recommended to use for your personal trading. If you want to see the live performance, so you can check on my website and search for this board and then click on the see live results. And here below we can check the profit and loss month by month, which are very good. Every month is closed in profit. Here in the August, a little profit, but not a big problem. At least the robot is closing every month in profit. And it is very good thing that a robot is making consistent profit and consistent growth without any dangerous strategy. Now let's check the graph, how it was going up, and here it is going up continuously without any big drawdowns, because in the last 3 years the drawdown is only $31 and it made 170% growth. In the upcoming videos, I will optimize this bot on more pairs and more time frames and publish results and reports here and the live results on the website. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.